Hello everyone. You know how in India we are always excited to try something new, whether it is technology, trends, or anything that makes life easier and smarter. From the beginning, we have welcomed new things with full energy. First, we got Perplexity free in India. Then Google Gemini came with student offers. Even Geo and Google teamed up, and that made OpenAI notice that after the USA, India is the second largest market for ChatGPT users. Now OpenAI has officially launched the ChatGPT Go Free Plan worth 399 rupees per month, completely free for 12 months. Feels like OpenAI is taking the Geo route. Make it free, build the habit, and then we can't live without it, just like data after Geo came in. So today we will show you how to activate it. If you already have a paid account, you will not see the free option right now. You can wait for your plan to expire or create a new account. Once you log in, you will see the option that says Try Go Modal, or at the top, one button Upgrade to Go. Click on Upgrade to Go, and you will see all the available plans. We mostly use the 399 plan, and now you will see that same plan showing at $0. Check out all the features included in it, like expanded access to GPT-5, expanded messaging and uploads, and expanded and faster image creation. Now you can create unlimited images. You will also get access to Custom GPTs, and now you can even create your own GPTs without any paid plan and start using them right away. After clicking this, you will see the label ChatGPT Go 12 months free trial. Now simply add your card or UPI details to complete the process. Here I am selecting UPI. Now fill in your name, billing address, and UPI ID. Do not check the extra box, just click subscribe. Approve the 1 rupee payment. I did mine with Google Pay, and that is it. Our $399 plan that we almost used before is now free. I also used that plan and saved my $390 annually. Now go to Settings and then Account, and you will see a message saying you have got 100% off Go. Your discounted plan renews on December 5th, 2025. Before next year ends, remember to cancel auto-renew so that you do not get charged again. Now enjoy unlimited ChatGPT, faster models, more uploads, image creation, custom GPTs, projects, and more, all free.